Operation School Bell is in each of the 120 chapters. Everybody does Operation School Bell.
That's cute.
We give 3 shirts, 2 pairs of pants, a warm fleecy top, a winter coat, underwear, socks, and a hygiene kit. This is all brand new clothes. None of this is donated. The majority of it comes from Children's Place and Gap. The kids get their own personal shopper. Finally, some little kids finally get to choose something that they like. And they go away from here with big bright smiles on their faces. We just benefit so many people, and the women that I work with it's just fun. And we're growing. We're just growing all the time.